Assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe: Reshaydaar Cutlets. Let's start the recipe. 125 grams boneless chicken, cut into cubes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add chicken. Add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook for 3 minutes on medium to low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Add half tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of white vinegar. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Half tablespoon of chaat masala. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. After 15 minutes, chicken cooked very well. Now shred the chicken. Cook on low flame until the remaining moisture dries up completely. Peeled and mashed. Add chicken. Mix them well. Salt to taste. Black pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Chili flakes half tablespoon. Mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix them properly. Shaped it into cutlet. Missed recording this part. When cutlets were added to the pan. Shallow fry without egg coating. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Cooking in a Budget yet, please do. Don't forget to like and share with your friends and family. Which of my recipes have you tried so far? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback means a lot to me. Our Reshaydaar cutlets are ready to serve.